afternoon, everyone. We're going to our new neighbor friend here in Burgos, a foreigner. So in fact, the guy who's in front of us here, they pick up us in the house, then so we can follow him to their house. So that's a surprise invitation for us today. It's a Good Friday here. And this is Group 6. We've been here before.
Yeah, we've been down here before.
Yeah.
Oh, a long time ago. But, not very recently. I know there was some nice home stuff.
Yeah. The couple's name, John and Cheryl. In fact, this morning they visited us in the house, and just a surprise, Cheryl called me to visit their house after they left at home. So we're following his brother. This is his brother, and living here too. Different. First time we. What? This is different area. I think this one. Oh wow. Oh, not yet. I'm gonna go down. Just watch the road. Oh, this is the one he said that the grid. Oh, nice. This is really a surprise area. Wow, we up. It's loading. Sorry guys, this is our first time we come here. A new road.
I ain't gonna make it again. I gotta get a run on.
Maybe you're...
Well, I just gotta get more of a run on it. I don't want this truck to die. It's not running good at all, honey.
Nice place. Wow, very nice place. This is Cheryl's home. Very nice.